faceless fitness channels are quietly taking over YouTube. Take, for example, Captain Workout. With over 220,000 subscribers and 20 million views, it earns more than $30,000 per month. And all of this success comes purely from teaching simple exercises and clearly explaining each movement. Or look at Yellow Dude, who managed to reach over 1 million subscribers and 40 million views with only 86 videos. You might be wondering, how is it possible to grow so fast in a niche like fitness, one of the most crowded and long-established areas on YouTube? The secret to their success comes down to one thing: innovation and content delivery. These channels don't just teach, they combine simple yet eye-catching animations, creative edits, and thumbnails and titles specifically designed to grab clicks, creating a unique experience for the viewer. And this difference is exactly what makes them stand out among hundreds of repetitive videos. In this video, we're gonna learn step by step how you can create a similar channel, but not by copying, because imitation will never make you stand out. The key to real growth is bringing your own style and identity into your work so you get noticed among your competitors. If you just mimic others, you won't grow. You'll just get lost in the crowd. Today, we'll cover how to rate titles that are SEO friendly and rank high in YouTube search, how to craft a professional script for a faceless fitness video that's both engaging and informative, and finally, how to use AI to create your own characters and videos so you can achieve high-quality content with a unique style, just like the successful examples. But don't worry, I've made everything simple for you. I've prepared a Google Doc, linked in the video description, containing all of the prompts and tools you'll need so you can jump straight into creating without wasting time. You can even customize these prompts to your taste, from character design to visual style and storytelling approach. With this method, even without prior experience, you can produce professional, eye-catching videos that look on par with the biggest channels. So before we dive into the main tutorial, let's take a look at an example video created using this exact method.
And how to fix them fast. Mistake number 1, doing endless crunches. Your abs aren't weak, they just hate boring moves. Swap crunches for planks and leg raises for better results. Mistake number 2, ignoring your diet. You can train all day, but if your belly fat covers your abs, nothing shows. Focus on protein and cutting sugary drinks.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me create even better and more tutorials for you. Step 1. Finding your video idea and topic. The first thing you need to do is find the right topic for your video. Instead of searching randomly for ideas, you should get inspiration from channels that have already found success in your specific niche. In the first step, make sure to watch a few of these successful channels, see what topics they're creating videos about, and draw ideas from their approach. To make this process even easier for you, I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt. The link is in the description. This prompt generates titles that are not only fresh and original, but also optimized for YouTube's algorithm, so your videos gradually appear in search results. All you need to do is open the file, copy the title prompt section, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 trending and highly engaging video ideas for you. Once you see the first list, simply type yes. As soon as you do this, ChatGPT moves to the next stage and gives you 20 more ideas, optimized, more attractive, and even more click-worthy. This way, in just 2 steps, you can go through multiple options and select the absolute best title to maximize your channel's growth. Now that you've chosen your topic, it's time to write the script. Don't worry at all if you're not a fitness or bodybuilding expert. AI is designed exactly for this purpose. However, if you truly want to stand out from the rest, I recommend gradually learning about the niche. The more knowledge you have, the more natural, strong, and impactful your scripts will become. Remember, we're using AI to speed up our work and improve content quality, not to replace our creativity. As I always say, we need to be the directors of our own videos. Now go back to your Google Doc and open the script writing prompt. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. At the end of the prompt, you'll see a section that says, "Insert your YouTube title here." Here, simply enter the video title you've chosen. For example, I'll use idea number 20, copy it, paste it into the section, and hit enter. These prompts I prepared for you are truly amazing. Whether you want to create a short or long video, this same prompt works for both. ChatGPT will ask, do you want this script for a long video or a short video? I type short video, and immediately it starts generating a fully viral ready script with the strong hook, an engaging body, and professional structure that keeps viewers watching from start to finish. Just like that, you now have a complete, ready-to-use script that's fully optimized for YouTube's algorithm and designed for rapid channel growth. Step 3, voiceover. At this stage, our script is ready, and now it's time for the voiceover. As always, I highly recommend recording your own voice for the video. Nothing can replace the real energy and emotion you bring. However, if for any reason you don't want to use your own voice, AI comes to the rescue. There are many tools for converting text to speech, but my personal favorite is DubDub AI, one of the most professional options available. Just search for DubDub AI on Google and click the first trusted link. First, log in with your Google account, then click on Studio. On the next page, select AI voiceover. Here, you can test different voices and pick the one you like best. I have a better tip. Head to the sports section. The voices there usually match fitness-related content and our channel's vibe. I personally use Jensen Moore as it fits our niche perfectly. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy your script, and paste it into DubDub. Remove any unnecessary parts of the script, then click Generate. After a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready, and you can export it in MP3 or WAV format. Step 4. Creating images and videos. Up to this point, we've covered about half of the process, and now it's time to create the images. First, go back to your Google Doc and locate the image prompt section. Copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As I mentioned before, these prompts are fully customizable, meaning you can create the exact appearance and style of the character you have in mind. Press enter, and ChatGPT will start generating specific image prompts for every part of your script. If you need more prompts, simply ask it to continue. Next, go to Google and search for Dreamina, and then click on the first trusted link. On your first visit, Dreamina gives you about 120 free credits to create images or videos. If you need more credits, you can either use a new account or purchase a subscription. Click Create, paste the image prompt generated by ChatGPT into the appropriate field, set the model to AI image, and click Generate. Within seconds, your images will be ready. As you can see, the quality is excellent and the character appearances remain consistent. You can also customize them anytime to better match your style and vision. To ensure the results, let's do another test. Copy the next prompt and generate again. Dreamina will create new professional images, giving you one for each scene of your video. Now it's time to move on to video creation. You don't need any other tools, just return to your Google Doc, copy the image to video prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. It will create a prompt specifically for converting your images into a video. Next, go back to Dreamina. For example, open the first image you created and click Generate Video. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Each video usually takes about a minute to create, and as you can see, the results are fantastic. Let's do one more test. Take the same image, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, click Generate Video, paste the prompt, and generate. As you can see, the prompt worked perfectly and the video is created exactly as intended. The result is truly impressive. And that's it. This stage is basically complete, and now we're ready to move on to the next step. Final step, assembling your complete video. The final step in this process is putting all the elements together to create the full video. I use the desktop version of CapCut for this. First, open the program and click Create Project. Then, import all the videos and audio you've produced into the timeline. Start by adding the audio created with DubDub and remove any unnecessary silences. Be careful not to damage the quality of the original audio. Just clean up the silent parts. Once the silences are removed, select all the audio clips and click Create Compound so that all sections merge into a single cohesive audio file. Next, add your videos to the timeline and sync them with the audio so that the narration matches the visuals. Important: if you notice the video isn't perfectly synchronized, don't worry. This is because I don't stress over minor timing details in order to keep the video short. The main goal here is for you to become familiar with the editing process and learn how to work with the timeline while syncing audio and visuals. Once the video and audio are synced, it's time to add effects. You can edit according to your personal tastes and implement your own ideas. I add one effect at the start of the video and another for the second scene. Then, for transitions between scenes, I choose ones that bring energy and excitement. I use Tremble Zoom for the beginning of the scenes and Burnt Portal from the fourth scene onward, as it's visually striking and engaging. To make scene transitions even more dynamic, I add sound effects. Go to the audio section, search for whoosh, and use these sounds for smooth transitions between scenes. Continue this process until the end of the video. Now it's time for subtitles. Go to the text section and use auto caption to generate your subtitles. Make sure to center them on the video and feel free to experiment with different templates. I chose one that I find visually appealing. The final step is adding background music. Go to Pixabay, search for sport, and download music that fits the style of your video. Import it into CapCut, add it to the timeline, and adjust the volume so it plays softly under your voiceover. And that's it! Your video is now ready to export at the highest quality. This is the simplest and most professional method for creating videos in this style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Your support motivates me to create even more content. I'll see you soon with a brand new idea.
Stop. If your abs aren't showing, it's not your diet, it's these 5 mistakes you're probably making. You work out, you plank, you crunch, but somehow your six-pack is hiding. Sound familiar? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest abs-killing mistakes and how to fix them fast. Mistake number 1, doing endless crunches. Your abs aren't weak, they just hate boring moves. Swap crunches for planks and leg raises for better results. Mistake number 2, ignoring your diet. You can train all day, but if your belly fat covers your abs, nothing shows. Focus on protein and cutting sugary drinks. Mistake number 3, rushing reps. Slow, controlled movements beat fast sloppy ones every time. Mistake number 4, neglecting obliques. Side abs are often ignored, but they're key for that V-cut look. Mistake number 5, no recovery. Abs grow when you rest, not when you train non-stop. Fix these 5 mistakes and watch your abs finally pop. Want more quick hacks? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the next one.